Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's LeadsLeap video, I'd like to share with you a brand new feature that LeadsLeap have just launched, and it's really a superb feature to help you build your online business easier and faster. So I'm live in my dashboard in my back office, and LeadsLeap is free to join and it can be forever free. There'll be a link in the description for you to set up a free account. That will take you into a dashboard exactly the same as this. And you'll see here in the top center, update tutorial is now searchable. And what they did, I'll just give you a quick demonstration now. They launched a new feature very recently called side-by-side tutorial. So if I go on to any of my categories down here, I'll give you a demonstration here. If I go on to Page Manager, there are two tools that everyone needs to build a business online, and that is you need a capture page to capture leads, and you need either a broadcast manager or a autoresponder to be able to follow up with those leads and prospects, and you can get those free with LeadsLeap. So on the page manager, if I go to tutorial here, every category you go into down this left hand side in the menu, there will be a tutorial icon you can click on here, and it goes into what they call the side-by-side tutorial. Now, for new people, for beginners, this can be quite overwhelming. So they've added in the top left-hand corner here a little search window where you can put in keywords to shortlist or just browse all the questions. So let's say if I'm brand new to making money online, I want to build a lead capture page. All I do is go into here and I type in something like how to edit, because they give you free templates. And you'll see it's literally gone from having literally about 20 or 30 different tutorials down to about 10. And it gives you all the information you need step by step on how to build a lead capture page. Now, the great thing about LeadsLeap is, if I just show you here, even before you set up a free account, you can go onto the link in the description and you can play around with a couple of these tools even before you set up a free account. So click the link in the description, scroll down, go to free tools, and when you scroll down a little bit further, we go past list management system. That's your broadcast or your email autoresponder. And this is landing page builder. And you'll see here, try landing page builder now. So you just click on there and you can play around with this. You can't break anything. All you do is, if you want to start creating lead capture pages, very simple. They give you all the templates that you need. This is the most beginner friendly platform you'll ever use, and it can be forever free. So all you do is you choose a template. So let's say, an example, we choose this one here in the top right hand corner, and all the tutorials that I just shown you before are all on here. So you click on tutorial there if you get a little bit stuck, and if you want to edit anything here, just click on there and we can change that wordage here. On the right hand side, we'll just get rid of those words, and we can put in here something like I love the leads LeadsLeap new tutorials. Let's put that there, and I'll just show you here how you can very easy, very beginner friendly. I was a complete novice when I started doing all this, and we also give you share codes. Let's just change the color on that. So you go down here, you can choose any of these colors. Let's click on the bright yellow, and it goes bright yellow, and all you would do is you would save your work, and then you get a link to promote this lead capture page, and you can edit all of this down the right hand side with this WYSIWYG. You have some great fun playing around and creating your own lead capture pages. So we've also got share codes. If you join my team, I've got share codes for the programs I use, which makes it even easier. All you do is I send you the share codes, and it's copy and paste and a few clicks, and I can share with you the lead capture pages and follow-up message that are converting into sales. So LeadsLeap can be forever free. And if you've enjoyed the video today, please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. I'd really appreciate that. That'll help support me on my YouTube journey. And please click subscribe and the bell icon for notification of all my new videos. I've now got over 500 videos on the channel, and I do new content every single week. Excuse me. So there'll be a link in the description where you can join LeadsLeap for free, set up a free account, and if you want to play around with a couple of the tools before you do that and see if it's for you or not, then just go on to the free tools and play around with that capture page builder as well. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.